Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today on that Mercedes E-Class W211, the generation from 2003 to 2009, we will show you guys a problem with it, how to find the fuse and the relay for the starter. So let me show you now this one. Okay, if the fuse or the relay is bad, it's not going to start. So you're going to turn the key, nothing happens. You can hear fuel pump running, okay, and the fuel pump, if you go on the back, on the rear right side, okay, you'll be able to hear the pump right here. Okay, listen now. That's when you turn the key on, the first second or two, you'll be able to hear the fuel pump. So in our case, looks like bad starter, bad fuse for the starter, or bad relay. So we'll go ahead, open the hood, guys, okay, and start first with the fuse. So the fuse for the starter, it's fuse 59 for our specific model, okay, 15 amp, always check your manual. Okay, this is fuse, actually 59 fuse right here. 58 is for ignition coils. Okay, so let's check that thing out. Okay, you can see it's burnt, done. So let's go ahead and replace it with a new one, guys. Okay, right there. And let us show you. Okay, the relay is relay L. Okay, so it's this relay right there, and once you remove the relay, you'll be able to find the letter, okay, letter L. This is for the starter. Okay, so let's see now if that fuse fixed our problem. If the fuse is good, swap the relays and try relays to see if that fixes it. Okay, perfect. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and help us grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.